Hi, sewing besties. I coming on here real quick to give you guys some ideas on uh, re elastic replacements. I was at the Dollar Tree the other day and I was looking around trying to find hair ties or some things that we could use to replace the elastic since there's a shortage and we don't have any. So what I decided, I found the little area rug, and what I'm gonna flip the camera around so you guys can see what I have here. Okay, this is the area rug, and it's a weave, and it's 100% cotton. So what I did, I unattached the I don't know what this nylon cord to pull the strands of cotton out. So I do have some pulled out already, and I'm using one hand, so I can't really work this really well. But it come in a variety of different colors, and I thought that this would be something nice to use in our in the mask that we're making. And I have one that's assembled already. This was a different style, but basically it was on the same uh, pattern almost as the other one. And it was a little wide on the end, so what I did, I kind of gave it a tuck, and then I sewed it across to attach it. But this is one of the ties that was put in the opening, and I left it open because some people are requesting the filters, and if you leave, if you sew this side up and then you sew this side up, you'll have uh, room to put your filters or your fabric, whatever you have that you want to put inside for extra protection. So what I did is I I measured between maybe 6.5 inches all the way down the rug, and maybe 6.5. 7 may be a little big, but it's up to the person that's doing the sewing. And then I used my rotary cutter, and I just cut it. I'm sorry, I'm not in the camera. I cut it, and then it just gave me the amount that I need. So that's like 6.5 inches right there. And again, back to the ties, I just turned it under maybe 1/4 of an inch, and I pinned it in. So I'm gonna run a seam from here to here. I'm gonna back stitch, make sure it's tight, sew down maybe 1 or 2 times, and then you sew it, back stitch, and make sure it's secure. So excuse me, this is what I did, and this is what I found. So I hope this help you guys when you're out of elastic. So I got a, a few of the rooks because they come in different colors, and this one I started already while I was sitting in the car. I just took some of the things are loose. Then I thought, well, I'm like, if I use a rotary cutter, that would be easier than trying to just sit and untie all of this at one time. So yeah, guys, I hope this give you an idea for elastic, and you're gonna maybe get about 210 pieces to use for your mask. So hope you enjoy and share the video, and I hope this helped. See you guys later. Bye.